Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Wondering how much money you have got on your Dasher card? Here's how to check your balance in seconds. It's very easy thing to do. For this, first open the Dasher app on your phone. If you are not logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are in, your current card balance will be right on the home screen. Easy to see at a glance. Tap on your balance of the card tab to view more details like recent transaction, pending statements, or account info. Want to real-time updates? Go to settings and turn on balance alerts. You will get notified when money is added or spent. And that's it. That's how you can check your Dasher balance anytime. Like and follow for more quick how to tips.